Hey guys, Code Monster here today. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on making checks, and what checks are, say, I want to make sure that something was entered in my name box here. So if I just made it where it echoed what they entered, they could just enter something, or they could just click submit and enter nothing. Well, I want to make sure that they have to enter something. So in order to make a check like this, we've already made the HTML. It's just a simple name box. So we're going to call that variable. If you don't know how to call the variable, check out my tutorial on variables. Alright, now we've called the variable. So now we're going to do an if statement. So we're going to say if the strlen, that means the string length of name, if the string length is smaller than 1, then echo nothing. Oh, my bad. Was entered. So if it's less than 1, we're going to say nothing was entered. Else, if it's more, then we're just going to echo the name, or whatever they entered. So we type hi, it says hi. Now if we type nothing, it says nothing was entered. So you can see how this check will stop people from just submitting blank forms or stuff like that. You can also do a check for too many characters. So put double bar. We can put or you can, let's put double and. String length of name is greater than, let's say, 5 characters. Now you can make this in 2 different checks, but we're just going to put it into one. So we're going to have to change what the text says to nothing was entered, or too many characters. Alright, so this is just going to do basically the same thing, but this won't let us put something over 5 characters. So if we put, I don't know, we can put anything, but Billy's. That's right at 5, I'm kind of dumb. Put 2 S's in there. Okay, let's see. Should have stopped it, but so if it's streamlined, let's try double bar. So let's go back and retry this. There we go. So my bad, guys. You were saying the double bar says or. This is kind of like saying or if this. The and was trying to read both codes the same, so it was messing up internally. So make sure you put the double bar. If you don't know where that is on your keyboard, it's directly below the backspace. So yeah, double bar, and then your string length statement. So too many characters, and it'll still work if we put nothing. You'll see nothing was entered or too many characters. But if we put in between, you can see it echoes our text. Alright, so now we're going to do a different check. And I use this one very commonly. So this one has to do with tags. So right now, if I put in HTML tags, hi, if I put those into the text box, we will get, we never echoed the text. If we put in bold tags, you'll see we get a bold hi. In order to stop users from doing this, you have to go to your variable right behind the $, and put strip underscore tags, and then put parentheses around it right before the semicolon. So now if we go back, refresh, and enter in the same thing, you'll see our text is not bold. This stops users from being able to enter HTML tags within your forum or wherever they're entering. So you want to make sure, I think it's a good idea to always put this for forums or login registration forms, things like that. Speaking of login registration, I think for Code Monster our next tutorial is going to be on how to make a login and register system. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for when that comes. We might have a few tutorials before that, but we surely will be doing that. I'll catch you guys later.